In the morning analysis, I asked you to remain short on gold till the time it trades below 17.25-28 zone and see how beautifully it respected the levels and dropped from there. Already has achieved 17.10. Now what is going to happen next? We will see with the help of charts and indicator. Also, we will see Dow Jones and Nasdaq, which are also trading equally bearish. Now what is going to happen today? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Missing on to subscribe is missing on the profits. Do not commit this mistake. Do like, share, subscribe and comment. Do watch till the end. First we'll look into gold, followed with Nasdaq 100 and in the end Dow Jones. Let's start on the hourly charts. It is coming out of the consolidation zone, giving it a little drop, and now even if it tries to retrace, see how far it can retrace. It can again try to come back at max till towards 1720, which is again going to be the resistance zone. Previously it was, and now this may be the resistance which it may try to face and continue to remain bearish till the time it trades below 1720. Directional movement extremely divergent and extremely bearish here. Stochastic at bottom and oversold. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent, this is bearish here. RSI2 is oversold now. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour chart, if you look at, this is the third consecutive red candle after coming out of this consolidation. First candle, second candle, it is yet to take a shape. It is failing to drop, indicates that the bearishness is diminishing here, may try to reverse, but then you can only go long if it trades above 1716. Beyond that also it may face a stronger resistance at 1720 and 1722. If it trades above this, then 1725 is going to be the resistance. Ultimately, if it trades above 1730, consider that as reversal. Till the time it trades below 1730, do not consider it as bullish. Directional movement divergent and bearish. Stochastic again looking downwards and it is oversold now. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI is oversold here. Likewise on the 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, this is the first red candle coming out of this consolidation. I'll be watchful of this zone, and till the time it trades below 1722, probably one can remain short. We may see another red candle also, which might take it till towards 1700 and 1698 levels. Let's see if it does. If it does today itself, or it will take some time, we will see. Directional movement is bearish here. Stochastic is again trying to enter into oversold zone. MACD divergent and bearish here. RSI again entering into oversold zone. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, on the 4-hour charts too, see after consolidation, first red candle, either it may try to consolidate a little after this and then take a shape, or it may give you subsequent red candle. Just be watchful. Subsequent red candle will take it till towards 1700 and below levels. 1698, 1695 can be expected if it continues to trade in red, because see after this consolidation, this is the first red candle, and previously we have seen yesterday also consolidation and a red candle, and now I'll be watchful how it behaves, because it has already achieved a low, and definitely 1708 and 1700 levels are going to be stronger resistance levels for gold. If it sustains these levels, there is a possibility of a bounce back. If not today, possibly in next few days we may see a bounce back soon, but right now it appears that it may sustain these levels. Directional movement is extremely bearish here. Stochastic again entering into oversold zone, and see the MACD is divergent, MACD is bearish. RSI again entering into oversold zone here. We have to be cautious here. And look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, this is the second red candle, and it has fairly taken a shape. It is giving you a smaller size of candle compared to what we have seen previously. Yesterday it was $20, and now almost from there it has traveled almost $12. There is a scope for it to drop further. There is a scope for it to drop till towards 1708, 1705, and in fact it can try to breach 1700. There is a possibility exists, which is a good 1698 and 1700 precisely very strong support zones. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic entering into oversold zone. MACD divergent and bearish. RSI looking downwards. So only reversal confirmation is if it trades beyond 1722 and 25 levels. Then only I will recommend you to go long. Till the time it trades below 1725, as I told in the morning analysis also, till the time it trades below 1725, first target should be at around 1715, then 1712, 1708, and then 1700, 1698 levels should come into picture. So you can remain short till the time it trades below 1725. Every rise is a good opportunity to go short. probably it can retrace again till towards 1715 1718 zone, and from there you can again try to initiate a short entry. Good levels to go short, but the stop loss has to be kept at around 1722-25 levels depending on your risk. Take the entries at the highs. Probably I will still remain bearish on gold, and one can expect it to drop at least till towards 1700. If not today, possibly by tomorrow we may see it dropping till towards those levels, and then we will see how it behaves at those levels. Because see, possibility fairly exists that previous lows at 1680, it may try to give you higher lows and then continue to remain bullish from here. So 1700 should be a good enough level if it continues to drop. Else 1710 and first 178 levels, we'll see how it behaves. Then 1700 should be a very good support level, and we'll see how it behaves. They are breaking only 1680. You can expect that it is going to remain bearish in the coming few weeks also. I'll be watchful here till the time it sustains above 1680. Possibility of a reversal exists. Hence, for the day, yes, you can remain short till the time it is below 1725. At the same time, every rise is a good opportunity to go short. Only good short right now it is at 1711, and you might get a strong support at around these zones, and hence you have to wait and watch a little, let it rise a little and see how it behaves at around 1718 1716 zone, and you can try to initiate a short entry there. Expect it again to drop till towards 1710 1708 and 1700 levels. So take your positions accordingly and be careful of 1722 25. Only if it trades above 1725 you can go long, and then again about 1725 be watchful of 1728 30 zone. Beyond that it will fly for 35 40 45 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with the stop loss, trade with the trailing stop loss. Do not forget to, yes, you can also learn the same art of reading the charts carefully, taking right entries and right exits. You can be part of my mentorship batch. The next batch is starting soon, and you can be part of it. Just reach out to me. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. This is a 15-day session, 90 minutes live webinar where we are going to discuss all the strategies and methodology live, and definitely all the queries will be resolved. So you can join this. Definitely it will help you become a profitable and proficient trader. Reach out to me for more details. Also you can become a part of my Patreon page, where one tier is just to support the effort, which is a great motivation for me. The contribution is minuscule, but the support and motivation is extremely huge. So you can be part of it. Else you can become a consulting partner member, where you will get all the opportunity to discuss anything and everything with me. Any trade, any positional trade, future prospects, intraday, short term, your current positions, everything we can discuss on there. So be a part of it. Patreon page link is also mentioned in the channel and video description. Now Nasdaq 100 on the hourly charts, taking the support at 12,250, retracing, and now trying to give you higher lows at 12,350. We have seen fairly strong resistance here at 12,350 on Nasdaq 100, and now trying to reverse. I'll be cautious in between 12,450 levels till the time. See, 12,400 definitely is a good support level now, and it is trying to trade above this. I'll be watchful and cautious till towards 12,450. Only if it sustains about 12,450, I will ask you to go long, and then 12,500 plus levels will come into picture. Directional movement again trying to converge crossover for a bullish move. Stochastic has hit a bottom, trying to rise from here again. MACD is bullish, trying to diverge again. RSI looking upwards, indicating little bullishness there. And if you look at the 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, see consolidation and then a drop. Now trying to retrace, and now again trying to take a shape. Remember, now if it trades beyond 12,450, and then you can consider that it is trying to reverse, and then I will look forward to 12,550 600 zone. So this time this is going to be considered as a reversal. If it trades beyond 12,600, you can consider that as a reversal. Till the time it trades below, see, possibility exists that it may achieve these levels and drop from here again, because see, consolidation, drop, consolidation, retracement, and now again trying to look downwards. So yes, if you see it breaking below 12,350 any point of time, now go short there, and one can expect again 12,200 and below levels. In between 12,350 and 450, do not trade. Directional movement moderately bearish. Stochastic was overbought, looking downwards from here. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI looking upwards, and if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts you will find that it is trying to reverse here. It has seen the lows. It may try to attempt and achieve lower highs. Only if it breaks past 12,450 you can go long, and then 12,500 is the ultimate resistance, then 12,600, and beyond that consider that as reversal. It may try to break past on the upside. See, till 12550 possibility exists that it can reverse and retrace again on the downside. This is the highs of this channel, and on the downside the lows of this channel are at 12200, 12150 levels. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic looking upwards, MACD divergent and bullish here, RSI 2 is looking upwards here. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now look at the 4-hour chart. Now look at the 4-hour charts, previous 3 candles, and the body size was diminishing in nature, and this time it has seen a stronger tail trying to reverse from here. Now look at this, these are the lower lows, lower highs, and it is a bearish triangle, it is a bearish indication. But at the same time, if it trades beyond 12450, no other option but to go long, and then you can expect 12500, 12550. 12550 very good resistance, 12600 the next good resistance level. Only if it trades about 12600, consider that as a bullish reversal, else it might drop again. Directional movement bearish, it is diverging, stochastic is looking upwards, the MACD has crossed over and this is a bullish cross, it is diverging, it is indicating that it may try to remain in green. RSI is near to top, and if you look at the daily charts, on the daily chart, see it has created a fairly good wick out there. Today 100 period moving average giving it a support at 12350 levels, and it is trying to trade with that as support. And previously we have seen yesterday higher highs, lower lows, trying to give it a good swing. 12500 is the level you should be watchful of. In fact, now I'll recollect 12550 levels. Only if it trades beyond 12550 it can sustain the bullishness, and then it may try to attempt and achieve 12600, and 12700 is the next target. Till the time it trades below 12450, 12500 levels, one can expect that it may continue to trade bearish, and this time if it sustains below 12350, which is provided it a good support, then we can expect this time again a very good drop, this time which might take it till towards 12300, 12200 levels. This time it may in fact achieve below 12250, what we had seen 12200 levels can be seen there today. Directional movement is bearish, stochastic is oversold trying to look upwards, MACD is divergent and bearish, and RSI is trying to look upwards. So probably because things are oversold and indicators indicate that it may try to bounce back, but I will not recommend you to take a long position or buy anything till it is below 12450. Above 12452 you have to ensure 12500, 12550. Remember 12550 is a good resistance, and then 12600. If and only if it sustains above this zone, that is 12500 and 600, you should consider that it is trying to act bullish. About 12600 directly it will land to 12700 today itself if it continues to trade in this fashion. As on the downside, once it sustains below 12350, we can expect 12250 and 12200 levels. 12200 is definitely a very good support for Nasdaq 100. Breaking below 12200, as I shared in my weekly analysis, it is looking forward to 11900 levels. We have to be cautious with that. So take your positions accordingly. Do not trade between 12350, 12450 levels. Only about 12450. Consider that it may try to act little bit bullish. Then you can go long and then expect 12500, 550 levels. Trade with a stop loss till towards 12600. Only and only if it sustains about 12600, we can consider that as bullish. Take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. US30 on the hourly charts, you will find 31700 providing it a support, try to drop thrice, again trying to come out and trade above 31700. At the same time, now the next resistance zone is 31800 and 850. If it trades above this, you can definitely remain long for 31900, 950 and 32000. 32000 is the ultimate resistance. Only sustaining above 32000. I told you in morning analysis also, I will be looking forward to a stronger resistance at 32000, 32050 zone. Only and only if it sustains above this zone, you can consider that it is trying to give you a bullish reversal. Directional movement is bearish, it is divergent, stochastic is oversold on the hourly charts, MACD is again crossing over for a sell entry, and RSI is looking upwards. It has seen a bottom, it is trying to rise from here. Likewise, if you see the 2-hour charts, I told you, see the bearishness there, then consolidation, see the bearishness, the move is diminished and now retracement, and now it is again trying to give you further smaller bearish move here. So yes, the bearishness is getting diminished. At the same time, if and only if it trades above 32050, you can expect that we may see it achieving higher highs than 32200, 32300 and 32500 levels can be seen again. Be cautious till then. Directional movement is bearish, it is divergent, stochastic is looking downwards, MACD is green trying to converge, RSI looking downwards here again. Likewise on the 3-hour charts, similarly, if you see, this is what I was trying to say, consolidation drop, retracement drop. See the size there, the size of the movements are getting diminished, and this time this 2-hour candle is fairly at the bottom of the Bollinger Band, getting the support there at around 31 680 650 levels. This is a good support zone. Now see these two candles and these two candles, fairly the movement has reduced, and now probably a reversal from here can be expected, but then only long entry I will recommend if you see it trading above 31,800. Then also look at these two candles close to 32,000, it has got a stronger resistance, and then as I told in morning 32,050. Only and only if it sustains above this zone, you can consider that it is trying to trade bullish. I'll be watchful of 32,050 and 32,200 levels at the next targets if it continues to trade above 31,800 levels. Direction movement is divergent and bearish. Stochastic is looking upwards. MACD is in green but trying to cross over again. RSI is looking downwards. And on the 4-hour charts, now also remember one thing, see drop, consolidation or retracement, and a smaller candle. Now the next candle I will watch out for, because see the next candle will decide which direction it wants to take. And yes, only sustaining above 31,800 we can think of little bullishness out there, but then till 32,000 I will consider that as bearish itself. Only beyond 32,000 32,050 you can consider that as a reversal, else it may try to drop again. And yes, see right now this is the first red candle after the retracement. Possibility of a second red candle exists, and this red candle will decide which direction it try to go. 31,500 is a good support on the downside, 31,500 and then 31,400. These two levels you should watch out for. If till the time it trades below 31,700, it will look for 31,500 and 400 levels. Direction movement is divergent, bearish. Stochastic is comfortable. The MACD is not indicative of anything. RSI looking downwards again. And on the daily charts too, on the daily chart, see the candle has taken a shape here. It is seen a good resistance from the 100 period moving average on the upside at around 32,000 levels. Failing to go past this zone, it is trying to trade with a drop. At the same time, till now it has given you higher lows. So once it trades below this zone at 31,650, you can expect that there should be a gravitational pull which might pull it till towards 31,500, and in fact 31,400 is quite feasible for the day. So a larger trading zone between 32,000 and 31,400 is probable, and yes, we may see it again trading red and trying to bounce back again possible. Directional movement is bearish. Stochastic is oversold here. The MACD is divergent and bearish, and it is still bearish there, and RSI trading near to bottom. Considering this, only long entry I will recommend today is above 31,800. Beyond 31,800 you can expect it to again achieve 31,880 900 zone, and then 31,950 to 32,000 and 32,050. Till 32,050 there are going to be stronger resistances on the down upside, and beyond 32,050 is still 32,100 and then 32,200. Only sustaining above 32,200 300 zone you can confirm that this is going to be a bullish reversal and this is going to fly high, else it can try to drop again from any point of time till it is below 32,000. Possibility exists. Let's say till it is below 32,000, the possibility of a reversal is around 60 to 70%. Between 32,200 and 300, the possibility of reversal is at around, you can say, 40%, and if it trades above 32,300, the possibility reduces, and then it is going to fly for 32,500 600 levels. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss on the downside till the time it trades. If it trades and successfully sustains below 31,700, expect the next destination is directly till towards 31,500 and 31,400 level. 31,400 is a good support, and then 31,200 levels will come into picture. Take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.